Chess, a friendly strategic board game. 16 pieces aside cover a checkered board, played by two players a game, with an opposing goal of reaching checkmate, a point at which the opposing king piece is killed. The game dates back to countless ancient civilizations with various versions and names as early as the 6th century CE. The chess rules and set we are familiar with today got finalized in the 19th century. A full modern chess set consists of a black side and a white side, each containing 16 pieces, including a king, a queen, two bishops, two knights, two rooks, and 8 pawns, with a playable surface. This is the Eagle manufacturing process of producing such a set. The chess pieces are formed on 4 main CNC units: Haas TM1, Mazak 10MS, Haas VF2, Haas TL1, The chessboard is etched using an Epilog Laser Helix laser cutter to give an HDF cutout a clean and sharp checkered pattern we all know. Before any cutting can take place on a CNC machine, a stock must be loaded and precisely clamped in the jaws of the machine for stability during cutting. A small tab is always left during the parting operation for easy operator removal during post-cutting procedures. This tab is removed later on during the finishing operations. The second operation of the knight piece requires a different clamping procedure. This piece requires a horizontal loading jig, forcing tightening to take place in the rear. Here you can view the TL1 cutting out the pawn in a standard sequence of steps. A right-hand tool is used to remove the bulk of the material. A left-hand tool then finishes the areas the right-hand tool cannot reach. The right-hand tool then finishes the surface before the parting tool completes the procedure. The rook, queen, and king require a unique operation to create their designs. First, the pieces are roughed out to shape. Then, the Mazak machine employs C-axis rotation with the combination of live tooling. This is when an end mill will spin in the tool holder, allowing for cuts to be made in any direction. Here we can see a finished queen being removed by the operator. The knight blank is finished on the Haas VF2 mill in a horizontal position in order to create that amazing back surface. The part then requires an operator to remove the part from the custom jig using a mallet and a socket. The bishop blanks then get mounted in the TM1, and an arbor is brought down to cut the slot in the globe of the bishop. Cooling is required for such a heavy cut, even with low feeds. All pieces are then put into their corresponding custom 3D printed jig to drill out the part off tab and drill mounting holes for the finishing operation. The parts are then ready for finishing operations, which may include in-house powder coating and anodizing, depending on the order. The powder coating operation consists of 3 steps. Surface preparation, where an acetone liquid is used to clean the surface. Application stage, where an electrostatic deposition method is used to apply the powder to the pieces. Curing stage, where chess pieces are transferred to a curing oven. Once the pieces are finished, they are ready to be packaged in their 3D printed storage system. A production batch of sets can take a machine shop months to produce at this quality. Seems like patience is needed in the game and in production.